Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Coder Journey. This is the next video of our jQuery tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna, talk about some of the effects that you can achieve with jQuery. In this video, we're gonna talk about hiding and showing elements. We're gonna talk about toggling elements, and then, over the next few episodes, we're gonna talk about other, effects that you can take advantage of when using jQuery. So in this simple, HTML file, I have two elements, H1, H2, and then I have my button, right? And suppose that I want to handle the click event of the button, right? So that whenever the user clicks this button, this H1, for example, gets toggled. So if it is, if it is visible, it's going to disappear, and if it is not visible, it's going to appear in our document. And I have put this H2 here to handle, hiding and showing of an element. So let's start with this H2, right? So basically what I need to do first of all is to select this H2 because I have just one H2. I'm going to go with element selector, right? And then in order to hide an element, you're going to just say hide, right? So, but I want to put this code, right, into the click event of my button. So I'm going to cut this once again. I'm going to say that I am going to select my button based on its element, and then I'm going to handle the click event. I'm going to set a function, right? And then I'm going to say in the body that I want to select the H2 and then hide it whenever the button is clicked. Let's save, come here, refresh, and whenever I click the H2, right? H2 was it, right? The H2 will get disappear, right? Yeah. So let's do something else. Let me copy this button, put it here. Let me put the text hide and then show for the next one, right? For the next one, show hide button, let's say, and this one is show button. So for the hide button, we're going to handle it, and based on its ID, of course, right? And then the same thing for the next button, show button, and then we're going to show, right? We're going to show the H2. Save, refresh. So this is the hide button, this is the show button. And you can add, a parameter, right, to this hide and show button. For example, you can say slow, right? Save, refresh, hide, show, right? You can set a millisecond as well. For example, you can set this to 200, 2000. 2000 means 2 seconds. Refresh, hide, and then show, right? So it is obvious, and it is, possible to set a millisecond. I showed you slow, and we also have fast, right? So if I put fast here, save, refresh, we're going to hide, then we're going to show, right? It is also possible for show to get an, a callback method as well. So we're going to talk about this callback method in the upcoming videos. But so far, you understood that you can hide an element, you can show an element, you can also set the speed, right? And also by using slow, fast, or setting, a milliseconds value, right? 2000, which is equal to 2 seconds. Another thing that I want to show you before I wrap up this video, I'm going to add a button. I'm going to, say that it is toggle button. And then I'm going to say toggle. And in my jQuery, I'm going to select this button based on its ID. ID is toggle button. And then I'm going to click the handle the click event. I'm going to put in my function. And then here I'm going to say that I want to select this H1 and then toggle it. So I'm going to select the H1. I can go for the class, but I can also select it based on its element. So I'm going to say H1 and then toggle. So toggle basically, if the element is visible, it's gonna hide it. If it is hidden, it's gonna make it appear. I'm gonna save, come here, refresh. I'm gonna click on toggle, right? And for toggle, you can also add the speed, right? So for toggle, I can go with slow, right? Show slow, save, refresh, toggle, right? I can also go with, I don't know, like 2000 milliseconds, refresh, toggle, right? So basically, showing an element, hiding an element, and toggling the visibility of an element, right? With using the fast, slow, or the milliseconds value. That was it. Thank you for sticking till the very end. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If that's the case, again, don't forget to give this video a like, share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next video.